Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot. Let's get started. Once you reach Microsoft Edge, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Copilot. You then press enter. You will then scroll down a bit and you will see a heading which says Search Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. So you're going to press on that. You will then be greeted by this page which says Copilot, Notebook, Ask Me Anything. If you recently downloaded Microsoft Edge, you'll notice that Copilot comes pre-installed. But what I'm going to show you is how to install Copilot on Windows 10 and 11. So what you want to do now is go to the right side of the screen, top right, and then press on the three dots. And then go to Apps, and then press Install this site as an app. So it'll say, Install this site as an app, Copilot. This site can be installed as an application. It will open its own focused window. So you're going to press Installed. It'll say App Installed. Copilot has been installed as an app on your device and will safely run in its own window. After that, it'll say allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, auto start on device login. So it's your choice whether you want to keep these options. I'm going to keep pin to taskbar and pin to start and then press allow. Now, if you go to the bottom right, it'll say, would you like to pin Copilot to your taskbar? This request is coming from Copilot. So you're going to say yes instead of no thanks. So yes. So now if you go to your taskbar, you notice that Copilot has been installed and you go to press on it. And as you can see there, it quickly opens Copilot without Microsoft Edge. So now I'm going to ask it a couple of questions. What time is it? Press enter. Okay, so it works. The current time in this area is 12 past 11. So that's good. Or I could also ask it, create a picture of a cat. Enter. And as you can see there, it has created a couple of pictures of some cats. So it works perfectly. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.